Hi, I'm Paul Hopkinson and welcome to my watercolour tips. Now today's quick tip is a simple one on how to load your brush. Now let me show you the way that I do this. Now when I load my brush, what I tend to do as a very quick tip is I've got my 00 brush here. I'm going to wet it in there, and then what I'll do, I'll just roll it to a point and then pull away. So basically what you're doing, I can show you again, into the paint, pick up the paint and then roll it and then lift away. So I'll show you in here, look. So imagine picking up the paint, you roll the brush and lift away, and that way you get a nice decent point on your brush. So that's how I would load a brush. And then before you go to the main painting, get a piece of kitchen roll, tap it once or twice, then you can go straight to the painting and start working on your details. Otherwise you get a big blob of paint on your painting. So that's how I would load my brush. If you'd like to see more watercolour painting tips, head to patreon.com/thedevonartist and you'll see my full list of step-by-step video tutorials on how to paint wildlife in watercolour, where you get also the project photo, the outline drawing for that month's project as well, and even a step-by-step handwritten or hand-typed by me full PDF on that particular current month's project. So come and join me and let's get painting together. And don't forget to click on like, subscribe and share, and please leave a comment down below as well. I'd love to kind of hear your thoughts and find out what you've been up to on your painting ventures. So until next time, bye bye for now.